Hey guys, it's John and Morgan with Longhaul Lifesavers, and today we're going to show you some more renovation.
I get to do some painting.
And finally, I get to sit around and do nothing while she paints.
So today we're going to start in the bathroom, and I'm going to see if I like the color first. That way I figured it's the smallest room we have. We removed all the hardware, took everything off, removed the door so that I don't have to paint around that. I'm going to start with Kills Kitchen and Bath, and I got the one that is the mildew resistant. That way, I mean, everybody knows humidity is the worst thing for RVs, so I figured we should start with this. I'm gonna do one coat of that, hopefully, and then probably, I'm guessing, 2 coats of paint. I'm really scared.
Too late now.
Yeah, no turning back. So our walls are the wall board, so they have a little bit of a texture to
This
them.
stuff.
So I'm interested to see. That's what I'm thinking. We're gonna need like a lot of coats because of the texture.
We'll find out.
Update. I finished the first coat, and you can see it definitely is gonna take a lot of coats. This wallboard just kind of sucks it right in. Multiple coats. Here we come. Coat number 3. And it's looking much better. You can't see the brown spots anymore. It's actually white now. I'm getting ready to do all of the trim now. Yay, the part that I hate the most. And John won't do it. Do you want to do the trim?
No.
Are you sure?
Nope, this is your project.
Oh, come on now.
You got it, babe.
All right, you watching
Nope.
Peter McKinnon?
No, not.
Your
I was
boyfriend?
actually watching Potato Jet.
Oh, your other boyfriend. Okay, all right. All right, guys, the first trim is done. It's gonna take probably 2 more coats, but it turns out the trim isn't what I hate the most. Painting behind the toilet is what I hate the most. John says he won't take it out, so I have to crawl up under there, and it is really, really tight. So I finished all the primer, no more spot, but we put the paint color on and just a little dab of it, and we hate the paint color. It's actually really tan. It's supposed to be gray, so that's going back, and we're gonna find something else. And then I started painting the bedroom and the hallway, because guess what, guys, we are going to repaint everything. Day 2, waiting on the bathroom to dry. We did all the kills, and then we actually returned paint because I decided I didn't like that color and got new paint, painted the bathroom, and that's all drying now, and I have decided to move on to the bedroom. So I've got it all taped off and ready to start. We're done painting, and we took down the valance in the bedroom. and we're gonna just put up curtains. And we did 2 curtain rods, so that way we can have a sheer curtain for like a daytime shade and then a blackout curtain for nighttime. Gotta put the TV back up and everything that goes on that wall, but I love how it turned out. Bracket that we chose has a screw that you tighten onto the curtain rod, so I'm hoping in transit we don't have to take these down. That's the pretty one that we chose. I think we might need to iron those. What do you think? The sun will bake it out. That's a typical man's response. Just let it, they'll fall. Okay, I know. And you,
well, no, I'm just saying.
You don't do well with the sunlight. The aftermath of crap everywhere. We've decided we're gonna go back and get another gray, but we only need one of the white.
It's just not long enough to really cover, but it slides super easy and it's really
sturdy.
Yeah, it's in there.
So you think we can leave it up when we move?
So.
Okay, good. Yay, less stuff for me to do.
Even if I could always drill a hole in here and then actually put a little screw through this rod so it would hold it really sturdy.
Okay, well,
so
we'll
test it.
Yeah, we'll test it and see. All right, guys, so this is my most important hook in the house because this holds my bathrobe.
Yeah.
The most important accessory. Hey, check all this crap out. Today was sheets day, and then I've piled laundry and the TV and all the other crap.
It was painting day too.
It was painting day too. And we have, what time is it? 10 o'clock. And so I have all this crap to deal with. Sound bars up. Morning, guys. I've gotten some sleep and had some coffee now, and I am in a much better mood. So I wanted to talk about why we took the valance off here and why we put up curtains. So the valance stuck out 5 inches off the wall. So really you had this much space, whereas now we have quite a bit, 5 inches more space to walk in the door. So it actually makes it feel way bigger in here. We got everything finished painted except for this wall and the slide box. Our future plans is to finish painting around, I have to pull the slide box in, finish painting around that, and then we're gonna actually remove this headboard because everything in there is so cream. So are we gonna end up cutting the valances off on so the side windows, we're gonna cut the valances off on the edge, so we still, because we use those as shelves, and then we're gonna put curtains up. We haven't yet decided, are we gonna do fabric, do you think? Okay, well, if you guys have any ideas, drop a comment, but I think we'll probably end up doing like a white suede fabric or something like that, where the cream is. I worked hard the last few days. So it ended up being 4 coats of Kills and 2 coats of paint.
Yeah.
So way more than I had originally. When I started the video, I said that I was thinking it'd be 1 coat of Kills and 2 coats of paint, but
the walls to the naked eye look white, but when you put something white against them, there is a slight gray hue. Looking back, we should have probably gone a little bit more gray because it just looks so white. And
I like it.
Okay.
I like it. Especially next to, well, you can see it behind his head, the shiplap that we did in the bedroom. There's white and gray. The gray is the wood grain, and where the white, or where we just painted, meets the shiplap, you can tell it's actually gray. So I like it.
Okay.
It's really bright in here.
It's super bright in here. It was like 6 o'clock this morning and the light was like pouring through, and it was my last day before I had to go back to work, and I just wanted to sleep in. But
yeah, but I really like the
curtains,
the curtain rods. and that we have all that natural light coming in, but the heat isn't coming in through the window, so that's really nice. Oh, what was the paint that we used?
Okay, so the paint color we used was Spring Thaw, and the paint was Glidden. Semi-gloss, the paint and primer in one.
And we did get one that's like the mildew resistant also. I talked about earlier that humidity is not friendly to RVs. Luckily, we spend most of our time in desert climates, but it's better to be prepared. So if you guys have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comment. If you have any suggestions, make sure to drop them in the comments.
All right, that's going to be it for today's episode, guys. Stay tuned for future episodes of future renovations that we do. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and then head on over to Instagram and follow us at Longhaul Lifesavers. See you guys.
Bye.